some chicken fajitas on the cook stove, camp stove. Everything's all cut and ready to cook up. And we're thinking about maybe doing one live a week. We're not sure which night we're going to be doing. So you need to check us out on our live. In the beginning they say maybe no one will show. We're hoping at least somebody will. Thinking Sunday night, be live at the dinner table.
Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, we'll have dinner and we'll discuss what we're going to be doing in the future on the channel. So if you haven't met us, I'm Robin.
I'm Brandon.
And we have a almost 10-acre piece of property that we're working on to have it be our homestead. There's no house here. It's just raw land, and we are cutting down the trees and clearing an acre of land to put our gardens and farm animals and stuff in, and then eventually the house. But so we can be here on the weekends, we're building our tent platform so we can camp a couple nights here, and we're definitely going to share those adventures with you guys. It's such a beautiful day finally, even though I still have layers on because I'm a wussy. It is nice today.
It's definitely. Watch out for the camera.
Sally's already covered in mud.
I don't mind you playing with it. Don't you? harvest, but they look alright.
Huh?
They'll be fine. Well, they won't be perfect, but they'll work.
You wanna pull this one in for me?
Here. I'm gonna put a screw in that,
Where?
over in the end,
Tight?
and then I'll pry it over here because it's longer over there.
Tight up?
Yeah, just or close to it. Yeah, fine. Just unscrew it a little bit. That's fine. Yep, just like that. Sally, what are you eating?
Stop.
Knock it off.
Stop being sick. I want to eat the board. I want to eat the board. Let me eat the board. It's done. Sally tested. Sally approved. No. She loves wood. So this is all reclaimed lumber from a barn, and it is working out pretty good for decking, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. For sure.
This is going to be the front door of our tent. We need some more.
Yeah, we're 40 linear feet shy.
Yeah. This is going to be our campsite. Got a tent that's going to go on top of here. Pretty much fit all of it except for maybe what, like a little bit here.
No, it'll fit the whole tent. It'll fit the whole tent.
I'm not gonna have any room to step on anything.
You're gonna have to look back.
I don't know. Step it back.
The tent's gonna be to the back, and this you're gonna have 2 feet of deck right here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. And then we gotta level it. Although it's not too bad. Yep. This is pretty good for free. Ah. It's gonna be quiet here. Hi. Pestilence. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You glad you're running around? Yeah? Gonna go camping here with us? Yeah?
Well, we're about 40 feet off the game trail. To our left. Hoping to see some deer. Or at least hear some deer.
Oh, I'm sure we're gonna hear deer. We don't even know what other critters are out here. Not too many squirrels, because we saw the hawk eating one today on our way in.
Yeah.
Poor squirrel.
Then it was screaming.
Where do you want to put your... You put a fire pit somewhere around here.
I think of 15-ish or so feet away. Will give us plenty of. Hey, I don't trust you with this. No, stop. Stop.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
I'm not supposed to be drinking this. I'm not supposed to be having sugar, but it is what it is.
Sally, stop.
up. Do you like it, Brandon?
Yeah, it's nice. I like it a lot. It's quiet.
It's just a weird tent, though. We'll probably have to stretch it out more, but I don't know.
Nah, just they could have fucking given you a little bit longer fucking string with it.
Hmm. We'll see how it does in a storm.
Yeah, I was gonna bring the pillows, but I didn't want to drop shit.
Yep, I'm gonna get myself a pair of camping Crocs. Camping Crocs! Brandon will never wear Crocs.